products on the market claim to be lightweight, but if you have low porosity hair or fine hair, you know how easily your hair can feel greasy or weighed down. Many people think the more oil the better, or pure coconut oil works for everyone. It doesn't. The truth is, fine and low porosity hair needs a specific balance of light, nourishing oils with carefully dosed essential oils to avoid buildup and irritation of the scalp. In today's video, I show you how to make your own balanced, lightweight hair oil at home in under 5 minutes with carefully chosen ingredients based on your hair's porosity and texture. This is the exact blend I use myself, and it has transformed how my hair feels. No greasy roots, no dry ends, just soft hair that feels alive. Ready? Let's get into it. Hi friends, my name is Shanta from Cosmetic Nerd. Most store-bought oils are loaded with a variety of silicones. These create artificial shine and the illusion of a soft feeling, but they actually seal off your scalp, clog follicles, and cause long-term damage. We can avoid all of that by using pure organic cold-pressed oils. This recipe is for 30 milliliters in total. I generally recommend to use small batches like the 30 milliliters we prepare, because that minimizes the chance for the oils that you mix to get oxidized and old. We use 15 milliliters of argan oil. This is the main lightweight nourishing oil which adds shine and protection. Then we add 9 milliliters of grapeseed oil. This is also a very lightweight oil and it's rich in antioxidants, for example vitamin E. Then we also add 1 milliliter of jojoba oil. The fatty acids and compounds in jojoba oil are quite similar to the ones that we have in our own sebum. Last but not least, we can add up to 3 drops of essential oil. I definitely recommend to not overdo it with the essential oil, because adding too much of it can also lead to scalp irritation, and that's the last thing that we want. But using a moderate amount of essential oils can improve your hair oil with the properties you want to push for. For example, hair growth or a wonderful smell, whatever you like. I usually add 2 drops of essential rosemary oil. This increases blood circulation and supports healthy hair growth. You could also add 1 drop of ylang-ylang essential oil that helps to balance your sebum and adds a floral softness. Another oil that you could use is essential lavender oil. This calms the scalp and mind, but feel free to experiment with the oils that you really like. Orange, mandarin or peppermint oil are also a great choice. If you are a man and you don't want to smell like a flower garden, you could also use pine, spruce or larch oil. I also love to use those in my own preparations. So combine all base oils in a brown glass bottle. At the end, add the essential oils and then invert the bottle several times to achieve a gentle mixing of the oils. I'm also very curious to know which essential oils you like to use for your hair oil. If you like, drop that in the comments. That could be a great inspiration for others as well. Before you use the oil, gently invert it again several times to make sure everything is nicely mixed. Start slowly to find the right amount of oil for your hair. I usually use the oil after washing my hair. I take a few drops and rub them in the palms of my hand, and then I distribute the oil from tips to the top. Start with 1 or 2 drops and increase the amount if you feel you need more. You can also use that as a pre-wash scalp massage. For this you can take half a teaspoon of oil and gently massage your head. Then let it incubate for 30 minutes and then you can wash your hair just normally. You can also use it as a daily remedy when you tend to have dry tips. Then just take 1 drop, rub it in your hands and just distribute it in your tips. Definitely avoid over-oiling, and that's why you should start with a few drops of oil to find the right amount for your hair. especially for fine or low porosity hair. It seals in the moisture, but it can also seal out hydration if it's overdone. If you want to dig deeper into the hair oiling matter and want to make sure to find the right one for your special hair type, then I recommend to watch my other videos. I've done a video on how to oil your hair correctly. I've done another video on how to find out your hair porosity, low, medium, high, and I've done an additional video on how to determine your hair type. I will link them below. And that's your balanced gentle hair oil, suitable for fine hair and low to medium porosity hair. That's made with pure organic mindful ingredients and tailored to your hair's real needs. There's no need to mask anything with questionable silicones when you have healthy hair, from the inside and the outside. If you get value from my content, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe that we can spread the news. Once that's done, I thank you for your help and your time. It was great to hang out with you, and we see us soon in another video here on Cosmetic Nerd. Bye.